Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Google just released its latest image generation model, Imagen 4, the direct upgrade from Imagen 3, which was already one of the top AI models for generating images. Built with creativity in mind, this new model is now available for you to try through Whisk or Gemini. In this video, we'll explore all the new features, test it in action, and compare its results against the best generative image models out there. Let's dive in. In this way, we can see if it is good as it is shown in the benchmarks. Well, basically, this model is now able to generate photorealistic images, greater sharpness, better orthography and typography, and also now it is much faster than ever. As you can see now, it is much more realistic, creating images of landscapes, plants, people, animals, and it does it by generating much more realistic details in each image. Really, at this point, I no longer have to distinguish between AI and reality. At least with this type of models, which are really, really good, the truth is that I can no longer identify it. Also, now it's much better for fine details since it now captures first extreme planes with colors, textures, and much more intense gradients. The texture that Image 4 is now able to generate is incredibly realistic, but not only that, now it also has an orthography and a much more advanced typography. As you can see now, comics, containers, and collectible objects come to life with an improved orthography, longer text chains, and new designs and styles. As you can see, they're incredibly realistic things, and it is something that competes directly against Jupyter 4o. And it can also create various styles of art since it can reproduce various artistic styles with much more precision, from photorealism, impressionism, to the abstract and illustration. But besides that, now Image 4 will be able to generate images with a quality of up to 2K. At least some AI that generates images of 2K with a brutal quality is only Gemini. And now we will also have an ultra fast option because Image 4 also includes a mode that generates images up to 10 times faster. And that is a lot because if we compare it to its previous model, Image 3, really, the generations are made in an incredibly fast way. Here in an example, in less than 10 seconds, the four images with the brutal quality have already been generated, which means that now it will generate images in less than 2 seconds. We can see all these benchmarks where Image 4 Ultra definitely stands out above all the other AIs, and believe me, it is competing against the best existing models. We have Dream 3.0, we have ChatGPT 4.0, even Midjourney 7 version, and it really takes a brutal advantage over most of these AIs. But as always, the AI is still not perfect, therefore, this model also has its limitations. For example, it has limitations in the factual representation since user could still observe artifacts in complex compositions, especially in images with small faces, text rendering, and slightly thin structures. Also, sometimes Image 4 will have difficulties in creating entry images, such as a perfectly aligned circle in the center of the image. Image 4 now also responds very reliably to text indications, but now when it receives meaningless indications, such as emojis or a random chain of characters, the results can be unpredictable. A very good feature that they also added to Image 4 is that it now includes the Synth ID technology, a tool like Google which incorporates an invisible digital watermark in the image, which allows you to identify it as an image generated by AI. But how can you use Google Imagen 4? You will be able to do it through Gemini, through Whisk. As you can see here, we're inside the Whisk tool. If you don't know Whisk, I'll introduce it to you. It is a Google tool that works perfectly for generating images, compiling styles, etc. As you can see here, if we click on this box down here, we already have the Image 4 model of Google activated. To select this model, you have to make sure that the best quality is selected, since if you select the quality model, you would be using the Image 3 technology. For example, if we're going to generate this image with the Image 3 technology from Google, it is exactly the same prompt, and as you can see, if there's a difference, you probably don't notice such a drastic movement at first sight, but if you pay attention to the prompt, this improvement is even more noticeable. Anyway, at some point, I will compare Image 4 from Google with the best existing AI models to generate images. You will also be able to use Imagen 4 to Google AI Studio, only that it's not yet available with this option, and also through Vertex AI Studio with a company account. And of course, we can also use it through new Google AI called Flow. If you don't know what this AI is, I'm going to leave you this video and I'm going to leave it in the description in case you want to see it when you're finished watching this. So basically here I can generate a frame from scratch, copy the prompt, and here, although I don't indicate it in a specific way, we're already using its new technology, Imagen 4. So next, I have here comparisons against ChatGPT Image 4.0. As you can see, the results are very similar, although in some images the difference is very noticeable. Without a doubt, I believe that the two are excellent competitors, but I believe with this Google Imagen 4 new update, OpenAI will have to launch a new update to its model, which is already quite good if they want to continue in the game against Google Imagen 4. Although personally, I will continue using both. So if you want to use it completely free, you have to use Image FX from Google. At the moment, you can only use this incredible tool in a completely free and limited way, but with Imagen 3 only. But very soon, I hope that in less than a week, we can have Imagen 4 technology from here. Therefore, you can use it through Whisk or through other options that I mentioned earlier. As I said, I will leave all Google's new AI updates in the description below. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you next time.
Introducing Complyifi. Get total consent compliance within 60 seconds and grow your business without worries. Unlock the full global potential of your business and get better results on all ad platforms instantly. Complyifi is the ultimate consent management platform. Complyifi meets the requirements of all major consent and privacy laws globally. Supercharge your marketing reach with Complyifi's powerful features. Get compliant, stay safe. Get better results from ads and analytics. Required for retargeting, DPO compliance, cookie compliance, GDPR compliance. Here's the good news. Complying with all of the privacy regulations is as easy as clicking a button to scout your site and putting the Complyifi code on it. Less than 60 seconds and you're compliant. Automated cookie scanning and categorization. Cookie pop-up with easy consent management. Complyifi offers unique identifier for user consent. Complyifi keeps a record of users' consent selection with a unique identifier as required. Allows consent modifications. Visitors can view their consent setting and change at any time they want. Save 90% versus other consent management platforms. Fast and high-speed performance. Complyifi does not slow your website. Google Consent Mode V2 and Microsoft Consent Mode support. Multilingual with automatic language detection. Consent pop-up with dozens of ready-made templates. Fully customizable consent pop-up designs. Data Protection Officer or DPO compliance ready. Target regions and countries with customized consent experiences. Detailed reporting and analytics. Complyifi is powerful and easy to use. So what are you waiting for? Get Complyifi now. Just go to getcomplyfi.in.